Looking for a comprehensive overview of your vehicle's health status? The 7111 Smart Diagnostic System goes beyond general OBD2 diagnostics, providing detailed information on all supported systems, all accessible with just a touch through the vehicle inspection function. This powerful tool seamlessly integrates into OEM diagnostic and workshop tools, offering 3 distinct report types: diagnostic report, customer report, and collision industry report, each tailored to specific needs, whether you require comprehensive information or a quick overview. You can further customize these reports via the vehicle inspection setup in the settings menu, ensuring the diagnostic sections align perfectly with their requirements. Using its pre-scan and post-scan capabilities, the 7111 offers a visual representation of the vehicle's condition before and after repairs. It's important to note that conducting a pre-scan is necessary to generate a post-scan report. The Combine Report feature compares the post-scan with the previous pre-scan, presenting side-by-side value and status comparisons, crucial for evaluating repair effectiveness and identifying lingering issues. All generated reports are conveniently stored in the previous vehicle section for easy retrieval and review. Share reports directly with vehicle owners via email to showcase completed repairs and vehicle health status. The 7111, simplifying diagnostics, providing a comprehensive vehicle report. If you need assistance or have questions, our dedicated technician support team is here to help. Thanks for choosing the Innova 7111.
Find the problem, fix the problem.